In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a countdown timer in Notion. A countdown is a great way to track deadlines, events, or launches right on your workspace, so you can see the time remaining at a glance and keep momentum high. Start by opening the page in your Notion workspace where you want the countdown to live. This could be a personal dashboard, a team project page, or a simple notes page. Make sure you're in edit mode and that you have permission to modify the page layout, since we'll be embedding content. Next, head to your web browser and search for a third-party countdown widget provider. There are plenty out there, and most offer a quick way to generate a timer without any coding. Look for a service that uses secure links, offers styles you like, and lets you set the exact target date, time, and time zone. If you need your team to view it, ensure the widget can be shared publicly. Skim the provider's documentation so you know how their embed links work in Notion. Now, create or customize the countdown for your event or deadline. Enter the date and time precisely. Double-check the time zone and preview the result. Adjust the design to match your Notion aesthetic. Things like size, color, font, labels, and whether you show days, hours, minutes, and seconds. A quick preview helps you catch formatting issues before you embed it. When you're happy, copy the widget's embed link provided by the countdown service. This is typically a shareable URL that the service says is embeddable. If you see a full HTML iframe code, look for a direct link option, since Notion works best with pasteable URLs. Make sure the link is publicly accessible, or your colleagues may see a blank block. Return to Notion and in the page content area, type /embed. Select the embed block from the menu. Paste the countdown widget link into the field, then click embed link. Notion will load a live preview. Give it a moment if it needs to fetch the content. Finally, resize or reposition the timer so it fits your layout. You can drag the block's handles to adjust height, or drag the block itself to place it beside other content in a 2-column or 3-column layout. Aim for a size that's readable without overwhelming the page. If the widget looks cramped, widen the column or give it its own section. If it doesn't display, refresh the page or confirm the link is public and supported by Notion. That's it. Your Notion page now has a clear, always visible countdown to keep you focused and on track.